Welcome to the ML Journey. This is video 1 of the Python Fundamental series. In this video, we'll talk about what is Python and why you should learn Python. Before you write a single line of code, I would like you to understand what you are building with. By the end of this video, you would be able to explain what Python is in plain language, understand why Python became the most popular language, and know exactly what you can build with Python. First, what is a programming language? Like all other languages, a programming language is simply a means of communication between two individuals. Let's talk about human languages. For example, English, Twi, and French. You use these languages to give instructions to other humans. A programming language, for example, Python, JavaScript, and C++ are also used to give instructions to computers. What makes these two languages different is, in programming languages, computers need exact, unambiguous instructions. One misplaced character like a semicolon can ruin an entire code. Now let's go to Python. Python is a high-level language. Now there are two types of languages. We have the high-level languages and the low-level languages. The low-level languages are similar to the ones and zeros of machine language, while the high-level languages are written in human words closer to English. Python is also a general-purpose language. It is not built for a specific task. Python can be used for so many different tasks. Python is also open source and free. This means you do not need a subscription to use Python. Despite the availability of so many programming languages, Python stands out. And this is due to its readable syntax. Python code reads almost like English sentences. So if you are fluent in English, then Python is second nature. Python has a huge community. So whenever you are stuck, you can go online, research about your problem, and solutions will be provided immediately. We would also talk about its unmatched library ecosystem. Python has a vast library. We'll talk about libraries later in this series. And finally, so many big companies use Python. Why is it necessary to study Python? What at all can I build with Python? I can do data analysis with Python. I can do machine learning and artificial intelligence, automation, and build web applications with Python. We talked about the big companies like Google, Instagram, OpenAI, and the likes. All these use Python one way or the other. On this channel, we will take you through Series 1, which is Python Fundamentals, Series 2, which is Python for Data Analysis, Series 3, which is Python for Visualization, Series 4, which is Structured Query Language, and Series 5, which is Machine Learning. As a culture in the programming world, on this day you would have to write your first line of Python code. Let's switch to VS Code. Today we'll be writing our first Python program. We click on New File and type in a file name, my first program .py. .py is the file extension for Python files. We now press enter. We save our program in a folder and it opens. Now we would have to type the first ever line of Python code. Type after me. Print hello world. Okay, we now hit run and we see hello world displayed to the user. I'll explain briefly. Print is a command in Python which tells Python to display some information to the user. Hello world is the information we want the user to see. So when we say print hello world, we are simply saying display hello world to the user. Congratulations, you just ran your first Python program. Today, you understood what Python is, why Python dominates, what Python can build, and you succeeded in writing your first Python code. Congrats! See you in the next video.